Hi guys, Lori here again on Vancouver Island. Welcome back to my craft room where we are today going to try again to make some fire. So yesterday my black paint was too thick and my fluorescent paints were too thin, and so my black paint just ate up my light paint and it really didn't turn out the way I wanted, and I'm probably going to pour those two pieces from yesterday over again. But anyway, so I've got my same colors. I have thinned down my black, and I thickened up my red, my orange, and my yellow by mixing them with some of this stuff, this pearlescent mixing medium. Thickens them up nicely. And adds a little bit of a sparkly shimmer, so that's kind of cool, I guess. And then into the red, it was a little pinky, the red was, so I added a little bit of crimson and a little bit of scarlet just to kind of make it be a little bit more, more of a vibrant red. And I'm going to try again to make flame. So one of the tricks that I've learned from watching some videos, and who am I watching right now? Kristen's Originals, Kristen Lustig. So if I remember, I don't know that I've ever watched any of her videos before. This might be a first. So anyway, one of her things was do your things vertically and don't pour horizontally. Because you want flames going up, not across, which made sense. So anyway, I'm just going to get started, and thank you for stopping in, thank you for being here, and thanks for hanging out. Well, that certainly didn't work out the way I wanted it to, but I did get a really cool skin out of the deal. And then I did another pour and totally forgot to hit play or hit record and did the whole thing without recording it, but I didn't like it either, so it is also becoming a skin. Here's the second piece I have that's becoming a skin. And again, it didn't turn out looking like fire. Like, it's got some pretty cool color in it. But it didn't work out either. So after I did the two of those, I called it a night. And guys, I want to thank you for watching and sticking with it even when I screw it up. As I so obviously did tonight. But you know what? Tomorrow is another day. And I will be back here in the craft room again after work, and we'll be playing with some paint. So I wish you guys all the best. I thank you for being here. I hope you stay safe and healthy. and I'll see you soon. Bye now.